See today's problem of pro rata allotment, and this problem is having various cases of pro rata allotment. Okay, see the problem. X Limited issued 10,000 shares of rupees 10 each payable as on application rupees 4, on allotment rupees 3, on first call rupees 3. X Limited has decided to make pro rata allotment if shares applied by the public are more than the shares issued, and to utilize surplus of application money towards allotment. Pass the necessary generalities in each of the following individual cases. 4 cases are given. Case 1, if applications are received for 15,000 share. Second, if applications are received for 17,500 shares. Case 3rd, if applications are received for 20,000 shares. Case 4th, if applications are received for 22,000 shares. So in these all 4 cases there is oversubscription, that is shares applied by the public are more than the shares issued by the company. Okay, so let's start now. Good morning students. Let's start. In this problem I am teaching you the concept of pro rata allotment of shares. When shares applied by the public are more than the shares issued by the company, this case is known as oversubscription of shares. So the directors have to make pro rata allotment in these situations. Okay, so in this problem we are studying various conditions of pro rata allotment of shares. See the problem. In problem they told us that X Limited issued 10,000 shares of rupees 10 each payable on application rupees 4, on allotment rupees 3, and on first call rupees 3. They decided to make pro rata allotment if shares applied by the public are more than the shares issued, and to utilize the surplus of application money towards allotment. त्यांनी असंच ठरवलेलं आहे की शेअर्सचे ॲप्लिकेशन जास्त आले जर इश्यूड शेअर्सपेक्षा तर प्रो रेटा अलॉटमेंट करायची आहे आणि सरप्लस अमाऊंट अलॉटमेंट बरोबर ॲडजस्ट करायची आहे. पास द नेसेसरी जनरलिटीज इन ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इंडिव्हिज्युअल केसेस. 4 डिफरंट केसेस आर गिवन हियर. In first case, applications are received for 15,000 shares. In second, applications for 17,500 shares. Third, 20,000 shares. And in fourth case, applications were received for 22,000 shares. So, we will solve now the every case one by one. So, case first. And we will also do the working on the another page. So here working notes. Case first. See the case first. They told us that in first case applications are received for 15,000 shares. Okay, company issued 10,000 shares of rupees 10 each. So company issued 10,000 shares, and in case first applications received for rupees 15,000 shares. Applications received for 15,000 shares. Okay, so application money received will be is equal to 15,000 shares into rupees, application money is rupees 4, so into rupees 4, so application money received will be rupees 60,000. Okay, now from this application money they have to transfer. See, they have to transfer the issued shares amount, that is 10,000 shares into rupees 4 each. So it is 40,000 to share capital. Okay. Now they have excess amount of rupees 20,000 which will be adjusted with allotment, because allotment money receivable is 10,000 shares into allotment installment is rupees 3. So 10,000 shares into 3, that is 30,000 amount is receivable in case of allotment. So they will adjust the remaining rupees 20,000 remaining amount with allotment. अंडरस्टूड. 60,000मधले 40,000 शेअर कॅपिटल अकाउंटला ट्रान्सफर होतील. 20,000 एक्सेस उरलेले आहेत. अलॉटमेंट मनी रिसिवेबल 30,000 आहे. कसा ते मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं. 10,000 शेअर्स इश्यू केलेत, त्याच्यावरचा अलॉटमेंटचा हप्ता आहे 3 रुपीज. सो 10,000 shares into 3 rupees. Allotment money receivable that is due is 30,000. So they will adjust the excess amount received from the applicants, that is rupees 20,000 with allotment account. Okay. So there will not be refund to anybody in this case. Understood? So let's pass these entries now. Case first. First entry will be of application money received. So bank account debit to share application account. Application money received on 15,000 shares at rupees 4 each. Okay. So amount will be 40,000. Sorry, 60,000. 4 है ना. 15,000 into 4, 60,000. Okay. This will be the first entry. Now the second entry will be adjustment of this application money, that is transferring this application money to respective accounts. Second entry, share application account debit it will be debited by rupees 60,000 to share capital account. It will be rupees 40,000 which the amount transferred to share capital account to share allotment account. We will adjust rupees 20,000 with allotment, and to bank account, that is refund to applicants is not necessary here because there is no refund in this entry. Okay. So application money adjusted, transfer, you can say anything. Application money adjusted. Okay. Now next entry. Next entry will be of allotment made, that is allotment money due from the shareholders, that is applicants. So third entry will be of allotment money due, share allotment account debit to share capital account. Allotment money due on 10,000 shares. They have issued only 10,000 shares at rupees 3 each as per given information. So the amount will be rupees 30,000 which is due as allotment money. Okay. Now the fourth entry will be of allotment money received, that is bank account debit to share allotment account. So bank account debit to share allotment account, and the amount 30,000 were receivable, that is due on account of share allotment, but 20,000 were already transferred to share allotment account. कळतंय तुम्हाला? So now received amount will be only rupees 10,000, as we have already received 20,000 from 30,000. Okay. Now the next entry will be of last call made, that is first and final call. Okay. So entry will be share first call account debit to share capital account. First call money due on 10,000 shares at rupees 3 each. First and final call also we can say. So 10,000 into 3, again it is 30,000 amount due on account of first call, that is first and final call. And now the last entry of case first. Sixth entry will be of first call money received. So bank account debit to share first call account. The amount due was rupees 30,000 and amount received will be of rupees 30,000. So 30,000, 30,000. Here first case, end of first case. Now case second. Okay. Now see the second case. See the second case now. In second case, they told us that applications were received for 17,500 shares. Applications okay. So application money received is equal to 17,500 shares into application money rupees 4. It will be rupees 70,000. So application money received rupees 70,000. Okay. From that amount they will transfer to share capital account. So let's transfer to share capital. Amount of 10,000 shares into rupees 4, that is rupees 40,000. So they will transfer to share capital account 40,000. Remaining amount is rupees 30,000. Allotment money due is rupees 30,000. So this all amount will be adjusted to allotment account. Okay, understood? Now let's pass the journal entries. First entry will be of application money received. So bank account debit to share application account. Application money received was rupees 70,000. So 70,000, 70,000. Now I am writing narration in short form. So application money received on shares. Okay, now entry of adjustment of this application money. So second, share application account debit to share capital account to share allotment account and to bank account if necessary. Okay, share application account will be debited by rupees 70,000. Share capital account, we are transferring rupees 40,000 to share capital and we are transferring remaining amount to share allotment account. So no need of two bank account, though no refund is made to the applicants. Okay, so narration will be application money adjusted, adjustment of application money. Third, now the entry of allotment money due. So share allotment account debit to share capital account allotment money due on 10,000 shares at rupees 3 each. So allotment money due will be again 30,000. And so next entry will be of allotment money received. So entry will be bank account debit to share allotment account. Now in this entry no amount was received on share allotment into the bank because all the money which is due was received at the time of application. ॲप्लिकेशन मनीमधले 30,000 आपण ऑलरेडी अलॉटमेंट अकाउंटला ट्रान्सफर केलेले आहेत. अलॉटमेंटची ड्यू अमाऊंट आहे त्याच्यापैकी काही पैसे बँकेत जमा होणार नाहीत. ओके, सो आपण ही एंट्री स्किप केली तरीही चालतं, पण कळण्यासाठी एंट्री करावी नेहमी. आता फिफ्थ एंट्री फर्स्ट कॉल मनी ड्यूची. शेअर फर्स्ट कॉल अकाउंट डेबिट टू शेअर कॅपिटल अकाउंट. So first call money due is 10,000 shares into first call is of rupees 3. So first call money due will be rupees 30,000. 10,000 into 3, that is rupees 30,000. And now the last entry we have to pass. Last entry of second case, that is sixth entry. It will be of call money received. So sixth entry, bank account debit to share first call account. Call money received, the due amount was 30,000 and amount received will be rupees 30,000. Okay, now the case third. Case third. See the case third here. Applications are received for 20,000 shares. So application money received will be 20,000 shares into rupees 4, that is 20,000 shares into rupees 4, that is 80,000. Okay, so application money received is 80,000. Now they told us that they will adjust the amount, so from that first they will transfer to capital account. Transferred to capital account will be shares 10,000 which were issued by the company, 10,000 shares into application money 4, so amount transferred to share capital account will be 40,000, 10,000 into 4, 40,000. So they have excess amount 40,000. ओके, त्यांच्याकडे जास्तीचे पैसे 40,000 रुपये उरलेले आहेत आणि आपल्याला माहिती आहे की अलॉटमेंट मनी रिसिवेबल 3 रुपीज प्रमाणे 10,000 शेअर्सचा 30,000च आहे. ओके, सो लेस ट्रान्सफर टू अलॉटमेंट अकाउंट 10,000 शेअर्स इंटू अलॉटमेंट मनी 3 आहे, त्यामुळे 30,000 जे आहेत ते अलॉटमेंट अकाउंटला ट्रान्सफर होतील. and still they have 10,000 rupees extra, that is excess. आता ही जी एक्सेस अमाऊंट आहे ती पुढच्या कॉलबरोबर ॲडजस्ट करा असं सांगितलेलं असेल तर आपण पुढच्या कॉलबरोबर पण ॲडजस्ट करू शकतो, परंतु या प्रॉब्लेममध्ये तसं सांगितलेलं नाही. अलॉटमेंटबरोबर रिक्वायर्ड अमाऊंट ॲडजस्ट करून झाल्यावर एक्सेस मनी आहे हा जो एक्सेस मनी विल बी रिफंडेड, हा एक्सेस मनी रिफंड केला जाईल, त्यामुळे तो बँक अकाउंटच्या समोर दिसेल. बरोबर आहे, म्हणजे हा कॅपिटल अकाउंटच्या समोर दिसेल, हा अलॉटमेंट अकाउंटच्या समोर दिसेल आणि एक्सेस अमाऊंट विल बी रिफंडेड हा बँक अकाउंटच्या समोर दिसेल, हे लक्षात ठेवा. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट थर्ड केस नाव. केस थर्ड, फर्स्ट एंट्री विल बी ऑफ ॲप्लिकेशन मनी रिसिव्ड. नाव I am not writing narrations, you have to write the narrations on your own. Okay, bank account debit to share application account, amount is 80,000. Now the second entry will be of application money adjusted. You have to write the narration while solving in your notebook. Second entry will be adjustment of share application money, so share application account debit to share capital account to share allotment account and to bank account for refund. ओके, शेअर ॲप्लिकेशन अकाउंट इज 80,000. आपण रफ वर्कमध्ये बघितलेलं आहे. कॅपिटल अकाउंटला ते ट्रान्सफर करतायत 40,000. त्यानंतर अलॉटमेंट अकाउंटला ट्रान्सफर करतायत 30,000 अँड एक्सेस अमाऊंट विल बी रिफंडेड टू द ॲप्लिकंट्स, म्हणजे ती परत दिली जाईल ॲप्लिकंट्सना. ओके, अशा प्रकारे ॲप्लिकेशन मनी ॲडजस्ट केला जाईल सगळ्या अकाउंट्समधून. आता तिसरी एंट्री अलॉटमेंट मनी ड्यूची. शेअर अलॉटमेंट अकाउंट डेबिट टू शेअर कॅपिटल अकाउंट. अलॉटमेंट मनी ड्यू 10,000 shares into rupees 3, that is amount of installment of allotment, so 30,000. allotment money due 30,000. Now the entry of allotment money received. Again all the amount was received with the applications, so fourth entry will be nil. Bank account debit nil to share allotment account nil. Okay, now the fifth entry will be of first call money due, so share first and final call account debit to share capital account. First call money due on 10,000 shares at rupees 3 each, so 30,000. And now the last entry, that is first call money received, bank account debit. To share first call account, 30,000. Okay, first and final call money received. This will be the case third. And now case fourth. Okay, first entry will be of application money received. They told us in case 4 that applications are received for 22,000 shares. So first entry will be bank account debit to share application account. See, 22,000 shares into application money is rupees 4, so 88,000. They have received 88,000 on application money. Let's see here in working note, case 4. Application money received on 22,000 shares into application money is rupees 4, so it is equal to 88,000. Okay, now less transfer to capital account 10,000 shares into application money 4, so it will be 40,000. So they have 48,000 still with them, so less transfer to allotment account. Allotment money 10 on 10,000 shares into allotment installment is rupees 3, so allotment money due will be rupees 30,000, which will be transferred to allotment account. So they have excess amount of rupees 18,000, which will be refunded to the applicants. So excess amount will be refunded. Okay, so this amount will be transferred to capital account, this amount will be transferred to allotment account, and this amount will be refunded, that is transferred to bank account. Understood? In this way we have to pass the entries now. This is the last case. First entry we have made already, bank account debit to share application account, being application money received on 22,000 shares at rupees 4 each. This will be the narration. Okay, second, share application account debit rupees 88,000 to share capital account rupees 40,000 transferred to share capital account, to share allotment account 30,000, that is full amount of allotment, and the excess amount, remaining amount will be refunded, so to bank account refunded amount is 18,000. Okay, in this way application money will be adjusted. कळतंय तुम्हाला? टोटल 88,000 त्यांना मिळालेत. कॅपिटल अकाउंटची अमाऊंट कॅपिटल अकाउंट बरोबर ॲडजस्ट केली आहे. अलॉटमेंटचे जे येणे पैसे होते ते सगळे अलॉटमेंट अकाउंटला आत्ताच ट्रान्सफर करून टाकलेत आणि उरलेले रिफंड केलेत. आता थर्ड एंट्री, अलॉटमेंट मनी ड्यू, share allotment account debit 30,000 to share capital account 30,000. This is the entry of allotment money due on 10,000 shares at rupees 3 each. And now the entry of allotment money received. There will be no amount in this entry as all the amount has been already received by us at the time of application money. Okay, so bank account debit nil to share allotment account nil. This will be the entry. आपण ही एंट्री पास नाही केली एक्झाममध्ये तरी चालतं, कारण ऑलरेडी पैसे ट्रान्सफर झालेले आहेत. पण आपल्याला ओळीने करताना चुकू नये म्हणून करणं हे सेफ आहे ऑलवेज. नाव फर्स्ट कॉल मनी ड्यू शेअर फर्स्ट कॉल अकाउंट डेबिट टू शेअर कॅपिटल अकाउंट. Call money due on 10,000 shares and first call money per share is ₹3. So 10,000 shares into 3 means 30,000 again. First call money due on 10,000 shares at ₹3 each. And now the last entry of first call money received. Bank account debit to share first call account 30,000. First call money received. Okay, on 10,000 shares at ₹3 each. In this way you have to solve when there is pro rata allotment in different cases. काही वेळेला एक्स्ट्राचे जे पैसे आहेत जे आपण आत्ता रिफंड केलेत ते कॉल्स बरोबर पण ॲडजस्ट केले जातात. इन दॅट केस ते कॉल इन ॲडव्हान्सला ट्रान्सफर केले जातात. जर ते कॉल्स बरोबर ॲडजस्ट करा असं पेपरमध्ये म्हणजे क्वेश्चनमध्ये सांगितलेलं असेल तर. ओके, दॅट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे.